Pick a theme like cyberpunk or minimalist to keep colors and fonts consistent. Use invisible characters. Use special blank characters, U+1 CBC, to create space and center text in channel names. Symbols and channels. Add thematic emojis or pipe symbols, e.g. hashtag rules, to make navigation visually appealing. Custom category headers. Use all caps or ASCII borders to create clear rooms within your server. Color code roles. Use specific color palettes and divider roles to organize the member sidebar. Striking server icon. Use high-quality GIFs or minimalist logos that are legible even at small sizes. Utilize embeds. Use bots like CarlBot to create colored boxes for rules and info channels. Custom stickers/emojis. Upload unique, thematic sets to make the chat feel like a private club. README graphics. Design custom banners for welcome channels using tools like Canva. Curate your bot list. Hide unnecessary bots and give the active ones cool nicknames that fit your theme.